Hi, this is Suretech Water Treatment Technical Support with a video on the proper procedure for changing the pre-filter and filters on a 3M DP290 system. This is the standard layout for a DP290 system. Your exact system's fittings and layout may vary slightly. To begin, we will identify our booster pump and tank. These will need to be shut down in order to drain the pressure from the system. We will accomplish this by unplugging the booster pump, either at the adapter on top or via the main plug. We will then shut the booster tank by revolving the gate valve shut. With the booster pump system isolated, we will return to our system and begin tracing the incoming water line from the pre-filter. We will identify the first available shutoff and turn it shut. This will isolate the system from incoming water during the filter change process. Use a small bucket or container to catch any residual water that remains within the system. We will first change our pre-filter. Press the red pressure relief button on top of the bowl to relieve any remaining pressure and ensure the water is shut off. If water persists to spout from the pressure relief button, you have not isolated the system from the water supply. With the pressure out of our pre-filter, we can begin to remove it with our pre-filter removal tool. The bowl will remove counterclockwise. After removing the bowl, we will discard the old filter and rinse the bowl well. Prior to reinstalling our bowl, we will check the integrity of our O-ring. If stretched, damaged, or missing, replace the O-ring prior to reassembly. We will remove the packaging from our new pre-filter and insert it into the bowl, aligning the bottom of the filter with the peg in the bottom of the bowl. We can then reinstall our bowl by threading it on with clockwise turns. Natural instinct is to tighten as far as possible, but this may cause a leak. Best practice is to tighten the bowl all the way and then back off the bowl about a quarter turn. We can now change our DP290 water filters. We will open up the activation valve to relieve any remaining pressure within the system. We can see the gauge drop to 0, indicating no water within the system. If your line does not run to a drain, you will have to either run a line or have a bucket handy to run water into. With the pressure removed from the DP290 system, we can begin removing the cartridges. Press the yellow filter latch lock and the filter will remove with a counterclockwise quarter turn. The filter will remove downwards. Repeat with the other cartridge. We will remove our HF8-S scale inhibitor cartridge by unthreading it from the head. We can now install our new filters beginning with the HF8-S. Be cautious while installing. The plastic threads can become misaligned and damaged if installed in the stainless steel head incorrectly. For further assistance troubleshooting your HF8-S, click the link above. We can then install our new HF90 water filters. We will align the nubs on the filter with the corresponding grooves on the head. The filter will lock into position with a quarter turn clockwise. Again, we will align the nubs on the filter with the corresponding grooves in the head. Slight upwards pressure and a quarter turn clockwise will allow the filter to lock into position. With our new filters installed, we can begin the activation process. Return to your incoming water shutoff and open the handle. Water will begin filling the pre-filter, flowing down through our DP290 system and out through our open activation valve. At this point, we will plug back in the booster pump and reopen the booster tank. Allow the water to run and activate the filters for a minimum of 5 minutes. Following the activation process, we can shut our activation valve and allow the pressure to build within the system. We will clean and dry the area, inspecting for any leaks that may have occurred on our pre-filter or DP290 system. We can then apply a label signifying the date of filter change and next due date for the filters. Our DP290 system is now back in service with new filters. This has been Suretech Water Treatment Technical Support for Suretech Water Treatment Incorporated. We are a fully approved filter supplier in the food service industry, and we're here to help. For sales, service, or assistance with your water system, please contact our team today at 1-877-635-7410 or via our website at www.suretechwater.ca.